Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator. First, prioritize safety by gathering your tools like wrenches and a new alternator. Always disconnect the battery's negative terminal before starting any work to prevent electrical shocks. Then, locate the alternator, which is typically found on the front of the engine, often near the accessory belt system. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Next, you will need to release the tension on the serpentine belt using a tensioner tool, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. After the belt is off, unplug the electrical connector and remove the main power wire that connects to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the alternator's mounting bolts, which usually number 2 or 3, and carefully remove the old unit from its position. Now, carefully position the new alternator into place and secure its mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect the main power wire and the electrical connector firmly. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it is correctly routed over all pulleys and that the tension is properly applied. Double-check all connections to ensure they are snug and secure. Finally, reconnect the battery's negative terminal securely. Start your engine and check the charging voltage with a multimeter to ensure the new alternator is working correctly, ideally around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. Listen for any unusual noises and confirm all dashboard warning lights are off. Take a short test drive to verify everything functions properly. Remember to check the description for a link to some great socks and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.